In this video, you are going to see how to print multiple pages on one page in Microsoft Word document. Here I have a Microsoft Word document and I have multiple pages. Let us click on Ctrl P to print or go to File and click on Print. Now here you will see an option. Let us choose the page size A4. And the option is on page per sheet. If you want to print 4 pages per sheet, just click on this option. If you want to print 16 pages, means all pages on one sheet, you can choose this one. Let us choose 4 pages per sheet. If I print it, then the printing will be started. Let us make it a PDF for the demo purpose. Click on Print and save the PDF in the desktop. 4 pages, click on Save. Now in the desktop, let us open it, and here you will see I have 4 pages in one page. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.